Hi, Algebra. This is going to be part 2 of chapter 7.4, the special products. This is going to be called the square of a binomial pattern. So again, like last time, please pay attention to the pattern that you're going to see. Everything I'm going to do is based off of FOIL, and then we'll go into the easier way to do it. And again, always feel free to stop the video, especially if you want to try doing the work on your own, or if you're just getting a little behind. So this is the quantity a plus b squared, so we're going to write a plus b times the quantity of a plus b. All right, we're going to do some FOIL here. A times a is a squared. A times b is ab. Over here we have b times a, which is ab. You'll notice that these are the same. And then we have b times b, and that is b squared. So then we add, and so we get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. It's quite the opposite of part 1, isn't it? Right here. So we have ab plus ab. So we're going to be writing twice the product of ab. Same thing will happen over here. Check this out. The quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a minus b. So FOIL, right? First, outer, inner, last. Pay attention to that. Negative b times negative b is positive b squared. We're going to add, and so we get a squared minus, there are two ab terms, plus b squared. Again, twice the product of ab. Twice the product of ab. So I'm going to do these with the FOIL, and then I'm going to do these in a manner that'll just sort of allow us to do it quicker, okay? Let me switch my pens. I love switching pens. So again, expand it, right? The quantity a minus 4 times the quantity a minus, I'm sorry, I said a, excuse me, x. And so we have first, outer, inner, last. And we add x squared. This is going to be twice the product of ab. So this is negative 8x plus 16. Okay, down here, the quantity 5w plus 1 times the quantity of 5w plus 1. I'm sorry for my writing. Usually it's so much nicer. So 5w times 5w is 25w squared. 5w times 1 is 5w. 1 times 5w is 5w. And then 1 times 1 is 1. And again, I'm just going to do the first and last term quickly. The middle term is twice the product. Okay, now if we think about that really quick, then the short way, if you understand this already, then maybe you can take it to this level. If you don't like what I'm about to do, then stick with this and you'll do fine, okay? But here we go. Since we know we're going to multiply this expression to itself again, we could just say right now that it's x squared, okay, plus 2, because it's going to be 2 times the product. That product is made up of the factors negative 4 and x. And then we have the last term. Now remember, if this is negative 4 squared, then this is going to be positive 4 squared. And then we can write x squared plus negative 8x plus 16. And so this is going to equal, if we simplify it, x squared minus 8x plus 16. Look at that. Okay, so again, 5w squared. So the quantity 5w squared plus 2 times 5w, which is one of the factors. The other factor is 1. And then the last factor is also 1. So 5 squared is 25. W squared is w squared. 2 times 5 is 10w, times 1 is 10w, plus 1 squared is 1. 25w 10w1, 25w squared plus 10w plus 1. All right. So again, if you're not down with this right now, stick with the FOIL method. You'll do great. And then maybe you'll transition to this slightly faster method, okay? Congrats.